What people, how you all doing? So yes guys, you know, we're just there and feel for something for eat. Just feel a bit peckish, but you ever just did it and just, you know, feel like cook, but you feel for eat something. Yeah man, so that I want to go on and know my people. So we decide say I want to go try some KFC, and as you don't know, Canada made it, so I want to go experience Canadian KFC. Yeah man, because I want to compare it with Jamaican KFC. But you all know Jamaican KFC are the best KFC in the whole wide world, you know? Yeah man, so in this video, I go prove it. Yeah, regardless me know, but I go prove it. Yeah man, so I go head down to the KFC you know guys, and well I don't know how much I can eat, you know. Yeah, but I go see how you go. I have to party them, yeah man. And I go buy them the KFC guys. Cause remember you know, me them a follow you know, me ask them for forward with me. So yeah man, I go buy them KFC tonight, my people. I would just go eat and have fun, you know. Yeah man, and watch what I go on. Pull up at the stoplight. So anticipating to try that little KFC there in the night, yeah. Yeah man, but the stoplight I give you a fight. Yeah man, that's some food time to go cross, you know. How long you gonna stay parade?
Me never say me lick down.
Me never say me do it, you know. Me say me will do it. Nah, go do it though man. We are just wait till you what turn stoplight again guys. Stoplight again.
Construction here, sir.
That is it. Real KFC. So yes, my people pull up on the location guys, and as you know see, yeah man, Colonel that himself, you know. So we are going to make a order, you know, my people. General buy, you know. So yes guys, we are here. Hello, good night. Any other spicy? Any other spicy? Huh? You can get 2-3 piece.
Big money popping anywhere we go.
Yeah man, that's how we go on like it. What you say, it's a bit
Right.
one tap on it done, you know. Yeah man. Three.
Yo, 2 years away.
Two me say? Oh sorry, my mistake. You guys say I said 2.
40.95.
Say again?
40.95.
Like I said, with people, I prove, so I'm going to prove, you know. Prove that Jamaican KFC are the best. Yeah, man. And then everything go. We have 3 cups there. So we can taste the juice from early. We pay $30 so we can just have a blast.
How that one the taste?
Well, kind of like the
I
7
best tasting
best
one.
one
There.
like 7 up.
Yeah man. Best tasting one.
Stick with the 7 up.
Oh, like it's.
Again? We can mix it. Well, you can mix it? Yeah. Well, you can mix it. Yeah. One regular. Yeah, man. So we have time menu board. Yeah, man. Juice. Yeah, man. Sorry, I never want to lay it on the box. On the box, but that's it, man. Yeah. That's it. Look over on my beef.
Original?
That's on spicy. Nice and you know nice.
No.
We already can't wait to deep them ice. It's cool with them one.
Yeah, see times so cold and you give me ice. And plus when they put ice in them, you don't get enough juice. Huh? You never know that.
And a big belly night tonight, you know. Tonight is just a night for restaurant. The taste.
Looking at this.
My juice is phenomenal. Alright, my people, time for dine, you know. You know, we're going to sit down, we're going to dine. You know that one, the regular. The regular, man. Who are regular? Right.
Wait there, regular that? Oh, no matter. Let me get. No,
That's what I go do it with, you know, mix it with it. Oh, that's the plate. You do it cooking. So you put one regular in it. Oh, you put a regular. Yeah, man. Yeah, go continue. Just get.
No, man, I show you thing, bro. See, Mr. Colonel there. Mr. Colonel.
See how long the Colonel around town. So yes, my people.
Yeah.
Sample it, you know.
Oh, wait.
Try to tell you about why, no matter what them try, you can't overthrow your Jamaican KFC is the best, no matter what you do.
Alright. Rate this a KFC from 1 to 10.
Or, just never rate for KFC now. Would have to give 3%. Yeah, but we had 99.
Where is it?
6 or 7, yeah, man.
Oh.
Yeah, I think are the best, brother. Full of flavor. Crunchy and nice.
But I want to rate it the 7 up, but I don't know if I rate it because guess what? I don't drink 7 up with me there, yeah. So I don't know.
So night we you know feed for something simple. Feed for something where you don't feel the cook, so you can just run to the KFC, you know? And have a feast. One with the cameraman. Stop
So
with
wait,
the
so wait,
cameraman.
so wait.
And I phone if you look, looking at
So wait.
the camera.
So wait. Same thing stay too long, serve too much. So what you going to do if you can't hold it? Eh? And I same thing for the other thing them for the like anyone I know but them I press.
3 minutes of a breath.
I press man.
Jump
Just
to the
ask.
6 now.
They say a TV recipe.
Trying to make one recipe, man. I'm inspired the Colonel.
You never born it, brother.
Dream him. Yeah, that's why I love KFC, so I when I'm going up, I feel KFC again.
Oh, what you? Man, shut it down.
That's what's so born I live.
That's why they say finger-lickin good. You look at that chicken here. You don't rate the chicken good then you know. If I say you have one lady, you don't rate it good.
Don't bear it, you're not going to have to eat it. You have to eat my money's worth, you know? Here we dirty and we can't waste it, because we don't waste food, you know, we have to just eat the money's worth. We hard money, hard working money.
Cool. This part Kentucky chicken, fried chicken, listen, Colonel. I was thinking in develop Kentucky fried chicken.
Here, John. 75 or something.
Now, in India, we call it 265.
Just getting started.
You know, so a place where I develop where I sit where in a name me half a do. Yeah.
Good.
Boy. Good juice.
You're not going to eat, you know? That was good.
Yeah.
Not that spicy, yeah.
The next bite, man.
Okay. Let's see if one is so good.
Yes, guys. Feel 1,000 better, you know. Yeah, man, very full, man. Give thanks to Mr. Colonel. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. That was awesome. But like I said, nowhere better than yard. Yeah, man. Jamaican KFC, the best KFC. Yeah, man. The hot and spicy, the barbecue. Wow. Yeah, man. I don't really like the original. I just like the hot and spicy and the barbecue. Them two there. Wow. Yeah, my people, like I said, it was a little late night snacks, guys, and mash it up early and I'm just go head back home and all my people. Get some rest. Next day. You don't know, work tomorrow, so So we have to go rest up. Same way, you know? Yeah man, it was nice having you, my people. General, well relaxed up.
Yeah, man. You're full, you know?
Yeah man.
Yeah, man, I eat, man. Uncle Small, look up yourself.
Bye bye, Colonel. See you next time, Colonel. Colonel mean though. Colonel he mean.